Hi everyone! So for today's video, I have another cosplay review. I finally got my Loba costume. You guys, I've ordered this so many times now, even when I was in the States. Even when I was in the US, I ordered it there and they keep on canceling because of the coronavirus. They couldn't ship anything from Shanghai, China, and apparently this costume is where it's from, so it got super delayed, but I finally got it and I can't wait to try it on because I waited about 2 to 3 months just to get this. I got this from Shopee and it's about 7,000 pesos, which is about $140. Apex costumes are very expensive. I wanted to get Watson, but that one is even more expensive, so that's probably gonna be in the future. I really like Watson, but for now I have Loba because she was one of my favorites, so I'm so excited to try it on. When I check their measurements, I'm more of a medium to a large, and since I am trying to lose weight, I just got the medium one instead. So if it doesn't fit me, it'll motivate me to lose even more weight. And I've checked other websites that have like a similar picture of this costume, what their review is, and most of them say that the pants are smaller and the top is bigger. I didn't want my top to be big on me, so I just got medium. If the pants doesn't fit me, they're just like white pants, so I can just maybe buy a different pair of pants. But hopefully it fits me. Let's open this, shall we? Oh yeah, my background is messy. I'm still trying to fix my room right now, so don't mind that. I also have a new hairstyle right now. It's kind of ashy gray silver. Okay, let's open it. So first are the gloves. It's got that pleather type of material. I just don't like the material of this white cloth, and I don't like that it doesn't have a lining on the inside, and it's not really sewn here at the edges, even over here. It has gold detail. I have here the pants. It's kind of thin. I feel like it's going to be see-through. It's a little see-through. Oh my gosh, it kind of looks small. I hope it fits me. But I feel like these are high-waisted. Maybe I can try to make it work. I believe this is the front. On the back, there's just like a line, a gray line detail. They're like skinny trousers. Those pants are plain, so if it doesn't fit me, I can easily customize a white pair of pants, so I'm not even worried about that. Oh, this one is the jacket. It's the cropped jacket. I love the wolf detailing on the sides. It has these edges. Ooh, it's even got pockets. And they're real pockets, guys. Usually they're just decorations, but you can put something in here, and I love the detailing. Look at that crisscross orange lace, and over here it has these two straps, and here's the back, more detail, and an orange lining over there. I love it. Now this is the top, and it does look big, and yeah, it does look super big. Can I fit in this one? It's stretchy, so I like that about it, and I really like the design. I like the peplum and the details. It's very on point. And this is the back. And this one actually has lining on the inside. I wish they did that with the jeans, because you know how jeans or pants are going to be. To open it, we have here the zipper on the side. And then last but not the least are the holster. Is that how you say it? So this is where she puts her guns. Really nice details. And over here we have another wolf, and it's Velcro, so you can put whatever you like. when you go to conventions. And there is a fake pocket here. I was trying to open it, but it's sealed. How are you supposed to wear it? You gonna put it on your leg? I don't know, but I'll figure it out. I'll be back in a second and I'll show you the complete look, maybe with my wig on already. Be right back. Hello guys! So as you can see, I have my Loba costume on. So yeah, as expected, the top is very loose. Like I have to stack up my bras just so I could fit it better, but it's still really loose. Now the pants, they barely fit me. See how loose this is, and it's stretchable too, so I wish they put like a strap on the back so I could make it tighter. The holsters, I don't think there's much support here. I don't think there's much support. It's only a Velcro. I wish it was like a sturdier belt. Since the holster isn't that sturdy, it keeps on going down. And also, I wish they included accessories for 7,000 pesos. I think it needs a little bit more. You know, this is the only one that I found, and I am very excited to wear it for stream. But overall, like, I still love this costume, and maybe I could alter it. Maybe I could make this top tighter. I don't know what I'm gonna do. And yeah, I will leave the link down in the description if you wanna purchase this. If you guys are also interested where I got my wig, I did get it from Amazon, and I do have contacts on just to make my look more complete, and I did get it from Shopee as well. I will leave the link down in the description below. I won't get anything from it. I just want to help you guys out where to find these items. Also, check out my Twitch. I will put it right here. I do stream there 3 times a week. You can see me in some of my cosplays. And also check out my Instagram because I do post my cosplay there as well. But what do you guys think about this costume? I just need the wolf right here, like a wolf tattoo, and my choker, and then just my bracelet, you know. I'll probably show you guys a better view of this in a bit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe if you still haven't yet. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Enough flirting. Save it for when we win.